Good day everyone. My name is Kim Borrero from BITFSM Set A. As stated in Republic Act number 10611 August 23, 2013, a bill to improve the nation's food safety regulation to safeguard consumer health and make it easier for regional food and food product to reach the market among the goals. The 2013 Food Safety Act will be the official name of the Act. Moreover, the Act's goal is to promote the business of conceptualization, whereas adulteration refers to an action that results in the manufacturing of food. Food safety is the guarantee that when prepared food will not injure the customer. They also allude to the following federal departments and agencies such as the Department of Agriculture and the Department of Health. The purpose of food safety regulation, as stated in Article 3 of the Principle of Food Safety, is to guarantee food safety. Food that conforms to a particular national law or regulation controlling food safety will be considered safe as long as it meets the requirements of the relevant national law or regulation in the obligation of food safety. In Article 5, operators in the food industry are responsible for making sure that food meets all applicable food law criteria for that particular activity in the food supply. This is accomplished by establishing a coordinating body for food safety standards with the following authority and duties. The first is to keep an eye on and carry out the obligatory food safety standards set out by the DA, DOH, DILG, and LGU. Determine which agency is in charge of enforcement by their legislative responsibilities. In addition, during situation involving food safety, coordinate preparation and crisis management. This lesson taught me that to guarantee the food and cleanliness of food items is our business. We must adhere to standards set out by laws. We also need to follow food law criteria to prevent incidents. And that's all. Thank you.